You guys, if there's one skincare ingredient I completely underestimated, it's glycolic acid. It's an AHA, or alpha hydroxy acid, that gently exfoliates your skin by breaking down dead cells, helping with texture, pigmentation, and so much more. But here's the thing, it's not just for your face. I started using it in a few unexpected ways, and the results honestly blew me away. So in this video, I'm sharing 10 glycolic acid hacks that I've personally tried and now swear by. These tips go way beyond your usual skincare routine, so let's get into it. So, let me start with something weird that actually worked in my scalp. I had this dry, flaky scalp situation going on, and nothing helped long term. One day, I tried wiping my scalp with glycolic acid toner before shampooing, and OMG, the difference. It gently exfoliated all that buildup. Now I do it once a week, and it's a total game changer. Don't overdo it. Once a week is plenty. The next one is surprising. I use glycolic acid on my lips. When they get dry and flaky, I dab the tiniest bit of glycolic acid toner, like barely anything, and then follow it with a thick lip balm. The next day, my lips feel so much smoother. I only do it once a week, but wow. And use low strength only and never on cracked lips. Okay, real talk, this third hack shocked me. I had read that glycolic acid helps with underarm odor, and I didn't believe it until I tried. I swiped a little with a cotton pad in the evening, and the next day, no odor, even without deodorant. It works by changing the pH so bacteria can't grow. I use it every other night now. Also, please don't use right after shaving, it can sting. Then I also use it for hyperpigmentation. I had a few dark spots on my arms and back from old breakouts, and using glycolic acid body lotion a few times a week helped fade them over time. It didn't work overnight, but after a month, I could definitely see a difference. After using it on the body, make sure to use sunscreen during the day. Also, if you've got those tiny bumps on your arms or thighs, aka Keratosis Pilaris, try glycolic acid. I started applying it after showers, and it really helped smooth out the texture. I follow it up with a thick moisturizer, and now my skin feels way more even. I also use it on my cuticles. My cuticles were always dry and rough, no matter how much oil I used. So I tried applying just a drop of glycolic acid serum once a week before my cuticle oil, and the difference? So real. They stay smoother longer now. Okay, this is one of my favorite hacks. I have naturally dry feet, and nothing helped my cracked heels like glycolic acid. I use a glycolic cream, put socks on, and sleep. My heels look like I just got a pedicure. I'm obsessed. Try this 2 to 3 times a week for baby soft feet. Next, I use it for pre-tan prep. If you self-tan, listen up, this is a must. I use glycolic acid the night before tanning to exfoliate, and it makes the tan go on way more evenly. No patchy spots or orange knees anymore. Always do this at least 12 hours before tanning. It works for dry hands too. My hands were so dry from constant hand washing and sanitizing. I started adding a few drops of glycolic toner before my hand cream at night, and wow, they feel so much softer and smoother now. Last one. I used glycolic acid on my elbows and knuckles because they were looking really dull and darker than the rest of my skin. After consistent use, I saw visible improvement. It's subtle but real. So these were my personal glycolic acid hacks. I've tried every single one of them, and I'm still using most of them weekly. Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited to try, or if you've discovered a new hack I should know about. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more skincare tips I've actually tested. Thanks for watching.